In this part, we'll cover how to formally check an R package. This step is crucial for any package that will be submitted to a repository like CRAN, and it's also a very helpful step for identifying formatting or other technical issues in a package. If you'd like to check a package, it's useful to have LaTeX installed in your computer. Mac users can install MacTeX from tug.org/MacTeX. Windows users may download and install MikTeX from the miktex.org website. When you're ready to check a package, again open a command line like terminal or command prompt. As before, navigate to the location where a copy of the new package is saved. I'm going to use the window that I had open from the last video. When in the proper directory, a check command may be applied to the package. After entering this command, it may take a little time for the check to finish. What's happening is that the package is being checked for consistencies and omissions. Each of the example sections is also being run during this check stage, with the exception of example code in the don't run command, which is not checked. If any errors or warnings arise in the examples outside of the don't run commands, the check will notify us, and we should fix those warnings or errors. Here, the check was actually halted before it was completed. There's been an error with one of the examples. If you remember from the third video, we actually left in some example code that wouldn't run. Here, that's created a warning and an error. Some of the helper output actually directs us to the proper file that we can find the error in. Here, that's the package help file. If we navigate to that help file, open it, we can replace the code that doesn't work with some that does. After saving and closing this file, I need to recopy the package from the original folder back onto the desktop where I'm working with it. Then, I'm ready to run the check again. As before, we can see the package check going through several different components of the package, checking help files, checking examples, and also making a PDF version of the manual. Everything now looks okay with the package check. However, you might remember that some of the components of the help files and also the description file were not completely filled in, or the defaults were not changed. Before actually submitting a package to CRAN, make sure all of these components are completely filled out and unique to your package. In the next video, I'll show how to add functions or data to an existing package. This can be useful for revising an old package, or in adding on a forgotten function or dataset to a package you just built.